Welcome to Enfinity. Today, we are going to discuss how to create a supplier payment in the Enfinity system. A supplier payment transaction records the payments made to a supplier. To create a supplier payment transaction, click on the Accounting module from the module bar. On the left panel, click on the Payment option. A new window will open. Click on the New button from the top menu to create a supplier payment. A new window will open with multiple fields. Specify the supplier's name, enter the amount paid to the supplier, and specify a bank account and payment date. The currency will be automatically selected with the supplier's default currency. Mention the check number if required. After filling in all the details, click on the Save button. Next, we have an Unpaid Bills section at the bottom. In this section, you will get the list of unpaid purchase invoice transactions that you have created for the selected supplier. To match the payment for this purchase invoice transaction, enter the amount in the Matching Amount column. By doing this, the purchase invoice transaction is marked as paid. If you want to mention more details like bank document type, PDC maturity date, bank charges, discount amount, etc., you can mention them in the General section. This is how you create a supplier payment transaction in the Enfinity system. Thank you for watching.